I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up an ESIM on your Huawei device with Rogers is pretty straightforward. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Check compatibility. Make sure your Huawei device supports ESIM functionality. Most recent models do, but it's good to verify. Step 2. Get your ESIM QR code. Contact Rogers customer service or log into your Rogers account to request your ESIM QR code. This code is essential for activation. Step 3. Open mobile network settings. On your Huawei device, go to Settings, then Mobile Network. Here, you will find the option to add a new mobile plan. Step 4. Scan the QR code. Select the option to add a mobile plan and then choose Scan QR code. Use your camera to scan the QR code you received from Rogers. Step 5. Activate the ESIM. Once scanned, follow the prompts to complete the activation. You may need to restart your device for the changes to take effect. Remember, if you encounter any issues, double-check that your device is connected to Wi-Fi during the setup process. Happy connecting!